Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix game slow update and download speed in Epic Games. So for this, what you need to do is click on the first of all open the Epic Games, then log into your account. Then you have to click on the account option from here. Then here you have to click on the settings option from here. After that, in the download and installs option, you have to click on the go to download settings, and then it will take a couple of seconds, and make sure that you have selected the limited download speeds. After that, you have to close the windows. Then again you have to go to the download settings, and here if that's not working, then what you need to do is place a value of 10,000 in all these three parts. For example, in updates you have to place the 10,000, new installs 10,000, during gameplay 10,000. After that, you have to close this window, and then what you need to do is, after closing the window, if that's not getting fixed, then what you can do is obviously go to the start button option from here, and here you have to search for the run option. And here, if you click on the run option, you have to type in the percentage local app data percentage. Then you have to click on OK. After that, it will get loaded, and then you have to choose the Epic Games Launcher. Then you have to click on the saved option from here, and here if you get the file of web cache, you have to simply delete it. And web cache underscore 4430 or any other number, you have to simply delete it. Then you have to click on the config option from here, and here you have to click on the Windows option, and here you will get the option of install. So in my here there are no option, but in the install you have to simply click on it, and then you have to paste out this code by deleting all the codes there, and it will most likely to get fixed. But if it don't get fixed, then what you can do is go to the start button again. Then you have to search for the control panel, and then you have to click on the control panel here. After that, it will take a couple of seconds. Then you have to click on the network and sharing center, and then when you click on the network and sharing center, it will take a couple of seconds. Then you have to click on the change adapter settings from here. After that, you have to choose the Wi-Fi that you are currently using. You have to right click on it, then you have to click on properties. After that, it will take a couple of seconds, and here you have to choose the internet protocol version 4, and you have to click on the properties option from here. And here you have to choose the use the following DNS server address. Then here you have to type in 8 space 8 space 8 space 8, and here in the alternate DNS server you have to type in 8 space 8 space 4 space 4. After that, you have to click on OK. So after that, it will most likely to fix your problem. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.